Another escape room. Okay, we are going to be escaping the chemical factory this week as one of our final tasks. The website that you need to go to is located inside of the worksheet, and I'm just going to read through the worksheet for some of you who may or may not want to take the effort. So welcome to the chemical factory. Your curiosity has gotten you into my trap. I love playing games, so the only way for you to get out is to solve my riddles. If you have only an hour to get out, or a nasty surprise awaits you, you will need your detective sleuthing paper and a writing tool to help you escape. Forgot yours? The next time, the crime will be forgetful students. Step 1, go to the escape room site. Welcome to the chemical factory. I say it twice to be polite. Now that you are in, you can never leave. We're going to be doing this so much. I'm so excited. Okay, I have you locked inside the chemical factory. There are things here that are far scarier than me inside, so beware. If you think you're clever enough to have survived, I have hidden a key to release you from this cold, dark, gloomy place. You must answer the questions correctly to get out. One wrong move and boom! Locked for life. Well, or until you turn off your computer. Step 2, you will get to the diagram of the base. Click on number 4, the safety room first. Once inside, use your mouse to hover over the items of the room. Something in there is worth clicking on. When you find it, click, don't lick. And answer the provided questions. In order to submit your answer to the keypad, you must click the arrow button on the keypad. Pause the video here so you can get that done. Blast! You've passed the first clue. Ah! Well, I didn't think you were so clever, yet here you are, still locked inside and the key still eludes you. Step 3, write down the long code given to you. Now, move on to the next area of the base that the clue suggests, and you should go to with the desks and the computers. I'm pausing so you can get there. Aha! Now I have you. You will never figure out this riddle of mine. It's too complex. Don't even think of using the alphabet. Step 4. In order to decipher this riddle, you will need to look at the code you wrote down in step 3. This code is a cryptogram involving the full alphabet. It's a big hint, where each of the letters in step 3 match with the new letters of a common sequence of letters. Hint, 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 hint. Use the code cracker to crack the key card cipher code, which will tell you what to do in that room. Then do that. Pause. Go. Do it. Don't just keep watching. If you're still watching, it's not telling you what to do next. Have you solved it? Have you solved it yet? No! You're so clever! Okay, you think you're so clever, don't you? Well, you will be stopped by my evil scheming. Don't worry, your demise awaits you. I am clever. No scientist will ever crack this next code. Step 5. In this new room, you will see a screen. What's the writing on that screen? Can you see it? Click on it. Zoom in. Another cryptic message. Use that same cryptogram from step 4 to translate these codes into their proper chemical formulas. Once you have the chemical formulas, the instructions beside each coded formula will tell you which letters to use to spell the new word. For example, QP3X2 means use a cryptogram from step 4 to figure out what actual letters goes in place of the Q, the P, and the X. Once you have those letters, write out the entire chemical name, not just the formula, the whole name. Then beside that clue, it says the first 2 letters of that chemical name that you just wrote to build the words of the next clue. Now, click next in the top right-hand corner, and you will see new letters to build a word, which will be on this page. Click on that word for the page to progress. Pausing, 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 Your work is progressing far too quickly for my liking. You are too clever, little scientist. Too clever. You found my vessel, but you're not done yet. There's more for you to do. You will not escape me. Step 6. You are now looking at the inside of the vessel. To your left, you will see 4 red dots. Hover out over each of these red dots and a clue will be revealed. Figure out the chemical symbols for each of these elements described and in order. Let me try that again. Figure out the chemical symbols for each of the elements described and in order, and they will spell a word. Once you have your new word, click on the arrow at the top left corner. You will never. Step 7. Find the word from step 6 and click on it. Figure out. Your step 8 is to solve the last riddle using the clues provided. Use the arrow in the bottom right to progress to the next screen. The riddle you need to solve is in 2 parts. What is the element name that is described by the provided Bohr diagram? And B, if you took the atomic numbers in each of the Olympic colors, think of the metals, then put them into the math equation, what do you end up with? Are you finding the answer? Are you finding the answer? Step 9, select the element name and number from step 8 and you've won! Hopefully, or else you exploded the whole building to bits. That was either excitement or blowing up. No! How could you? Why are you so clever? This is insanity! I will get you next time. Then the brave scientists will learn. You never know when science will save your life. Step 10. If you are interested, click on the link at the top right-hand corner called Escape with STEAM and learn more about this lovely nonprofit organization that helped us create this for our class. And you will be able to find other STEAM-based escape rooms. There is even a Harry Potter one, and I haven't played it yet, but it looks amazing. So head over there and check that out. Have a great week, guys.